Greetings, Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can use the snipping tool right here on your computer. Alright, so for instance, to redo something and like you might write in something, but when you look right here on this document that somebody sent you, them say you can actually use piece, right? So if for instance, say when you go through it, you know, say one paragraph, two paragraph, three paragraph, four paragraph, right? So this is nice. So you want to get it over into your thing. So what you want to do to use the snipping tool, right? You normally copy and paste, but we're going to use the snipping tool. You notice when you click right down here in the startup menu, you notice this is a snipping tool, but if you don't see it, what you have to do is type it in. Now when you click on it, this is how it come up. This small dialog box here. You can actually put the cursor right there, you can move it to where you want, right? If you notice right here, show you a new snip. Right here, show the mode. When you click right here, so show that you can right there freeform snip right here. You can get a triangular one, right? You can get one like Windows. You can do it like a full if you want one like document, right? You notice right here it says delay. When you click right here, you notice in seconds and all that, cancel. And notice it actually have option and all right here, right? So if you notice right here, so in order for you to get this piece of document that you want, you're going to click right here on new. Now when you click on new, you notice the page itself, it has a darkish and the cursor will come plus. Don't worry when you see it like that. You're going to put the cursor right at the V right here. You're going to hold on the left side of the mouse at the touchpad. You're going to drag it to the right like this. You notice? Alright, go back again. You want to take it out some more like this. You get take more space. Alright, you do it like that. And then you take a time and you come down like that. Come down. Alright, come down if you notice. Now you come a window now. You notice? And you can come right side here and scroll up just the same. Yes, you notice? So this is what you can actually use to do with the snipping tool. But if you want to save it on your computer, how do you really save it on your computer? Because if you notice, you can come right here, so you can actually extend it. Just the same, you can come right up here, that says file, and you click on file. Up here says save as. You click, you notice it take you to a dialog box. Alright, so I'm just going to put SS. Right, you can actually search for the desktop up here, and click on it. And then you're going to come right here to save. Click on save, we're going to come right here. I'm gonna close it. Alright, I'm gonna close it now. Definitely you can come right here, so minimize this. Alright, so this is it on your computer. Right, so hope you have learned something from this particular video.